Go check this out. Free money out here. Everyone's getting into the Bitcoin game right here. Bitcoin doesn't reach $50,000 by April 20th. I will give away $2,500 to one lucky follower. That man Martini guy says so. Like, followed, and moon to enter. Winner announced tomorrow. He put this out yesterday at 250. Let's take a look at the chart. Pretty sure Bitcoin didn't make it there. Owes people a little bit of cash. Let's pull this up. Let's pull up our favorite Bitcoin. BTC. And here we are, ranked number 1, pulling it up there. 41,000. It had a great run though, but look at that dive. Guys, market's very scary right now. Things are going a little bit crazy. I mean, nice little touch off that 42 rejection. Now guys, keep in mind, if you're not paying attention, there were a ton of sell signs or short signs that were actually set up at $42,000, $43,000. Unbelievable heavy amount of signs to short at that time. And man, what a call by everyone out there shorting it at the 42. And they're just making money on the way down, guys. Now, I don't know who the Martini guys are, but you might want to go check him out. He's on Twitter. That Martini guy. Let's see what he's got on here. Saving AXP. Let's go. So there you go, guys. Way to be in the game, but it brings a little news out there, kind of like, where's my money, dog? Dude, this is funny. The cat is funny. I don't know about you guys, but I love the memes out there. Bunch of people signed up here. Not too shabby. He got a little movement on here. He's got 3,000 retweets, 84 quote tweets, 15,000 likes. You can't really beat that. What's this? Tweet your replies. Banksmedia.eth. Let's see. Please help me out right now. I want to win. Replying. Hope I win. I lost more than 2,500 USDT. That's another story, man. There's a lot of people out there losing a lot of USDT. So good luck to you there. Let's see here. Albert LaRay. Where's my money, dog? April 20th. Guys, shout out to 420. What a year. Give me that. Let's go. I mean, at this point, you gotta give him a little love here. I hope I win because I lost 2,000 USDT. How are these guys losing USDT out there? Check where you send the money. Nobody knows. Keep in mind, everybody was looking for Bitcoin to get to 50,000. Big rallies out there, guys. But there's a lot of stuff going on. Let's check this out. Hope I'm the winner. I've lost more than 3. What is going on with people? Do we need to ask, guys, why are you losing 3,000 in USDT? How did you lose? Do we even ask? Do we want to know what's going on out there? What's going on? Guys, listen, hit the comments down below. How are you losing USDT? How it's just falling out your pocket? What's going on? Excuse me, that's mine. USDT. Let's go. What's happening? How many people losing USDT? How do you lose USDT? It's a stable coin. You can't even margin it. Like, let's go. Man, do we have to ask? I hope I win because I lost 2,000 USDT. Let's figure this out. Where do we comment, man? Let's get in the comment there. Let's comment it up. How do you lose USDT? Let me go down here. We'll scroll down. Super winners. Oh man, they got some other stuff in here. Let's see what here. Bitcoin. Oh, hold on, man. Hold on. I didn't see that little funny one there. Let's see here. There's a Toshi one in here. What am I missing here? I hope. Let's see what we can do here. Alright, that guy, Martini guy, let's pull him up and see what he's got. What's he got going? That Martini guy. Alright, he's got nice little logos there. TMG Trades. That Martini guy. Let's see if he's got anything special going on here. Look at the logos on this guy. I like this guy. Let's click on this page and see if there's anything. What is this? What is this? Uploading my daily Bitcoin technical. Please subscribe to my new YouTube channel. I don't know if you thought Bitcoin was going to 50,000. I don't know if I subscribe to those trades because the guys who short like me are already making money on the 42,000 down. Right? But hey, he's got analysis. He's talking Bitcoin craziness. He's got to pay out that money first. Right? Bitcoin is pumping 2 hours ago. Is it pumping? Will change your life if you all go in. Guys, pretty funny out there. Bitcoin is bullish. Altcoins next. Cult.do. I love seeing all this good stuff out here. This is actually decent information here. We're still early Bitcoin guys. There are only 819,000 addresses that hold one or more Bitcoin. That number is growing every day. Glassnodes, good information out there, guys. So let's take a look. Speaking of that, let's take a look at what's going in the news and get a little more deeper here. Bitcoin crosses 42,000. So let's take a look here. Dig a little deeper in this article. Okay, Bitcoin has risen above 42,000 following the Easter dip that briefly sent it down to 38. 38.5 is its natural resistance. If you've been following me on my TikTok, you know that basically I've been telling you guys that it's very hard for it to break 38.5. Hundreds of times I told you guys over the last year. It's just the way it is. And the bounce that I like that quick bounce. And they're playing games with you right now because normally when it's called a liquidity, right? So if you guys don't understand, if you're new to trading, anytime you break resistance and you do that little sharp wick down, that's called a liquidity grab, right? As soon as it hits liquidity, jumps straight up, goes on a super run, which it did, which is easy to see if you know anything about. Guys, if you're going to get into trading, you have to study patterns. Please do yourself a favor. Study patterns and then candles, right? What they mean. You'll make so much more money. We also have it set up. It's cryptoiseasy.io if you don't know how to do that. And you know what? If you want to learn, we have free trading classes at linktree.com/venture capitalist. Click on the Discord. They have margins. They have trading classes. You guys can learn all this stuff in there. Pretty interesting, right? So let's see what's going on here. That's still a higher low since January 24th as the crypto attempts to recover. See, there's some good news out there, guys. Not all bad for Bitcoin. I'm just expecting a little bit more out of it. Let's see what's going on. Bitcoin, Ethereum stage rebound as DeFi protocols. Aave, Luna rally. I don't know if you got in the Aave. Aave was pumping really nicely. Let's take a look at the charts here while we're sitting around and see what's going on there. Just to kind of see if we got anything special happening here. All right, look at that Bitcoin. Look at that Bitcoin rally. Boom. And all of a sudden, look at that Bitcoin dip. So that's kind of what's going on out there. But, you know, the ideal is that, you know, Luna, Aave made a big move. You know, Aave, queen of DeFi. Stay focused on what you got there. Let's take a look here. We do have a Bitcoin Ethereum stage rebound as DeFi protocol Aave Luna rally. Now this is important right here, guys. If you want to pay attention to anything that's going on here, blockchain gaming usage explodes 2,000% in a year. Now that is something you want to take a look at. Unbelievably bullish. You definitely want to look into those type moments there. Because, I mean, if you don't know how big the gaming space is, you just don't understand what type of money can be drawn in here. We're talking billions of dollars instantly into this space. And oddly enough, you know, I'm a big gamer. I play a lot of Xbox. I play a lot of COD, Call of Duty, Warzone. I mean, if you guys want to play some hardcore search and destroy, drop your name down below. I'll look you up on Xbox. Happy to carry you. You guys want to do 1v1 sniper, whatever you want to do, we can get it in. But I haven't been on in a minute just because we're doing crypto. But I have to tell you guys, thinking about what's going on here, the blockchain gaming continues. Now the weirdest thing about blockchain gaming is most of the people that are in gaming aren't really embracing blockchain, right? So it's kind of an interesting thing because you think that gamers would be very interested in new technology, they're just being resistant. So it's kind of weird right here. Blockchain continues the dominant sector activity as well in the investment, having raised a total of 2.5 billion Q1. I mean, guys, this is serious money. 2.5 billion. It's adding up there, guys. Remember, the entire crypto market right now is sitting at 2 trillion, right? So at the end of the day, if you got 2.5 billion, I mean, it's just a matter of time before that comes 20 billion, right? And continue to 10x. Let's see here. So it's on the radar. Keep it up there. MakerDAOs. That heads Ethereum Layer 2 Starknet. That's very interesting for a stable coin. Let's see here. Leading Web 3.0 companies launch a $7 million challenge to advance zero-knowledge technology. Guys, if you're not digging into this stuff, that's something you want to take a look at. Let's pry out and see what's going on with the. Let's see what else is going on here. So right now, total value locked USDT, we're at 217 billion. We're down 1.73. Curve, guys, I love Curve. Ah, man, what a way to go. Matter of fact, I need to jump in there and actually throw a little bit in there. I got a little. I love Curve. This is one of my top DeFi protocols. Anchor's obviously making a move right there. Look at that 9%. So right now, guys, if you're looking for the hot stuff to go on there, obviously DeFi is the kind of way to go. A lot of movers and shakers out there, but this is where you want to kind of look at. There is some really good movement here with Aave, but Anchor, but more importantly, Curve. Look at the chains it does. I mean, there is, I don't know if you guys know, man, SushiSwap, I'm surprised it gets no love. Hasn't made, they haven't updated it. That completely fell off. Beefy Finance, now you know what's going on there, so don't forget you got your Beefy Finance out here making big moves. Pay attention to what's going on. Look at this 18% gains here by Statter. Guys, dig in there. Ooh, look at these right here. You got the bridge. Don't forget there's some upgrades coming on. Make sure you do your, make sure you're out there digging in a little bit further than what everything else is going on. Let's see here. Let's get some summaries in here. Let's see. What do we got? Trading news. Ethereum's MakerDAO to launch on Starknet. So there's some information right there you want to take a look at. Starknet promises 10x lower gas costs. Ethereum's MakerDAO to launch. That's 10x lower gas. That's still not enough because the gases are just through the roof anyways. I don't know if that really matters. Guys, here's a coin I love to look at right here. Monero XMR. This is something I'm putting a lot of money in just because it's a security coin. Keeps everything pretty much quiet out there. Huge coin. I like it. Big movements here, but that's not something I'm stocking up every day. Not investment advice for anybody else but myself. Here's your Kyber network if you guys were wondering what's going on out there. So there is a lot of things that are actually moving, taking things that are happening. Here's your market update. Look at ApeCoin coming in here. ApeCoin 24%. Jasmine, I don't know if you guys know about Jasmine, but man, we have made some money on Jasmine over the last month. Zill, crushing Zill last night. Elon, I didn't get into Elon, but what is up with 34%? PancakeSwap, I love PancakeSwap, man. Pancake's finally moving, which to me is basically says the people are bringing some type of money here. PooCoin is back in the game. Things are starting to happen. Even though NFTs are down, this looks very, very good for us, guys. Anytime you see Pancake moving, that's a moment where you need to really focus in there. Guys, I don't know if you're looking at XCAD network, but definitely 14%. Dig in a little deeper on there. What else we got? Ooh, Polyplay, guys. Did you not get in Polyplay? Somebody asked me about Polyplay last week, and I said, Polyplay's your play, man. 684%. Guys, you need to get out there and do your. Obviously, there's a lot of things happening there, man. Stay focused. It looks like, you know, the way Bitcoin's acting, every time it hit the liquidity dump should have actually went to a straight run. It should have went to 45,000 and got rejected. The fact that it got rejected at 42, there's several different layers on the way up. Just makes me feel like we have an alt season, but not a long one. Because don't forget, guys, May 10th is where we kind of hit those walls. So focus on what you're doing. Take advantage of these 26% gains. Sell and take your profits is what I'm doing. And then I'm just adding my 10, 15, 20% gains. I move them around until they double my bag 10 times, and then I'm going to have an amazing summer. Other than that, guys, I want to say thank you for coming out, spending a little time on the Crypto News Network with your boy VC. If you have any questions, ask me any questions you want. Go drop the comments down below. I will respond to those comments, get you up to date on what's happening. Don't forget, here you go right here. Decentraland is giving away thousands in mana tokens. If you want to know where that is, hit our, well, you know what, here, why even wait? Let me bring this to you guys right now. Let me see what we got here. We were just talking about the gaming side. Here you go. Decentraland game is giving away thousands in mana tokens. This is what's happening, guys. We're going to do a follow-up video on that we're going to really lock into. What you want to do is that's going to be on the NFT YouTube channel. Check out the NFTspace.io. Head on over there. We're going to give away free. We're actually going to give away information on free NFTs, free NFT drops. That channel just got put together. It's about to blow up. You want to be part of the first 1,000 people, because you will be whitelisted on the NFT projects that are coming forward and get the first access to a lot of things that I'm working on. The NFT thing right behind me, obviously the banner of the month. Good luck, guys. Thank you for stopping in, and as always, appreciate you. Your boy VC, man. Dior.